Hello everybody, and welcome to a follow-up video to the Corgi 218 Aston Martin DB4 that I recently did. This was the restoration I did. I sprayed it with this sort of metallic-y silver colour, and after I'd done it I wasn't really happy with the grill. It just seems to all blend into the bodywork, and it doesn't seem to stand out very well. Same with the bumper at the front and the rear. I'd heard a lot of good reports about these. This is the Molotow, I think that's how you pronounce it, Liquid Chrome Pen. This is the 1mm tip or nib, and I decided to try one of these, and I'm going to have a go at touching up the grill and the bumper, or the bumpers, on this Corgi 218, and we'll see how it looks. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So it's only going to be a short video, but it's just like a follow-up to the previous one. Okay, let's give this a try, see how good it is. Right, I'm going to try and do this as best I can so you can see what I'm doing. Let's try the grill first. Oh yeah, that looks good. They do these pens in different nibs, thickness of nib. This is the 1mm. This gives you a bit more control over what you're doing. Now I can see straight away that I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but that looks a lot better. I don't know how it's going to dry, but I have heard very good reports about these pens, so let's hope they're right. So far I'm liking it. I nearly went for 2mm, but for this particular job I think it's working well. And you can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera there, the grill is showing through, the grill detail is showing through there, but there is sort of just solid chrome. Now whether that will dry, I reckon, oh there you go, just a case of, now it's moved it down there, so I'm hoping that will dry, showing the detail. Let's keep my eye on that. Right, so that's the grill done. I'm just a bit concerned that that's going to dry solid. I do have a little brush that I could maybe just use to feather that in a bit better. I might just try that. I've just got this little brush which I'm just going to use to get rid of that solid bit, but that looks like it's taking the chrome away now. Maybe if I don't keep the pen on for as long, it's difficult to tell whether that's going to dry, showing the detail through or not. Oh well, just have to see how that goes. Right, so we'll go with the bumper. You can probably hear my concentration. Right, that looks good, I like that. It might not be showing up on camera very well, but I can certainly see a difference. That looks miles better. Just do the underneath. It is drying, showing the detail through, so I might leave that. Sorry if I keep going out of shot. And I could also do the badge as well while I'm here. Oh yeah. It's perfect for things like that. I've got the lights as well. I'm not sure whether I should do the lights or not. The detail of the grill is starting to show through now as it's drained. I can see where the patch, the more solider patch is, but I think once that's dry, unless you're really looking closely, I don't think you're going to notice that. Right, rear bumper, and then we're going to be done. I don't know how long these pens last. How much you get out of them. I'm trying hard not to touch the bits I've done as well. Ideally I should have done the front and let that dry. I'm doing underneath, but you're never ever going to really see this. It's very easy to use, this pen. Doesn't blob or come out too quick. And I have to say, I'm very happy with that. Right, I've just had a look at a couple of pictures on Google, and I'm not doing this model to the original Corgi model, so I'm going for a more authentic look. Now the two little bits of boot detail need chroming, like the handle, and there's another little sort of handle under the number plate. I don't know what that is, but there's one under there. That one's chroming. I'm going to do the outer. You can just see below the headlights there's the two little lights. You've got the indicators on the inside, and then the outer ones are just sort of little lights. I don't know what they are, but the inner ones are indicators, so I'm going to touch them up with yellow or orange, and I'll do these outer ones with the chrome pen. I'm probably going to do the if I can, the outer bevel of the headlight in the chrome, which could be tricky. Let's give it a go. Too bad. It is very tricky, this. I've normally got quite a steady hand, but because you're watching me, I'm a little bit jittery. I'm going to leave it at that, I think. And then just those two little bits of boot detail as well to finish. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Right, done. Right, I'm happy with that. I just need to do the little indicator lights as well. Forgot about them. Right, let's just do those and then we're done. That'll do. Right, this time we will let that dry and then I'll give you a closer look. And there we go. That's your Molotow, the original liquid chrome 1mm pen. Right, okay, well I've let it dry overnight now, the chrome, and you can see there the grill is a lot better. I did have my doubts about the way it was drying. There was like a patch in the middle that was a bit solid, but it's dried really well. It may not come across as good on camera, but prior to me adding the chrome using the pen, the grill and the bumpers all just blended into one. And I think you can see now the difference. You can see there I've added a little number plate as well. That was the original number that was on the model when I got it. I've touched up the indicators. I've done the headlight rims. I've done the, I'm trying to get it focused. I've done the badge on the bonnet there, or on the front of the car. And I've also done the bumper at the back and the little handles either side of the number plate, whatever they are. I think one's a handle, one might be the number plate light, and of course I've done the lights at the back as well. So that's it done now. I'm very happy with it actually. The chrome pen is brilliant. I don't know how long the pen will last, but I think once that runs out I shall be buying another one of those, because I'm really happy with that. So there you go, just a short video just showing you the chrome pen. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe. If you got any comments, please leave them in the box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.